Hey there, are you a lover of sourdough like I am? Well, today we're making sourdough cinnamon rolls, and all the ingredients will be listed in the description. So, here, after all the ingredients have been added, the dough is being kneaded for between 8 to 10 minutes so it becomes smooth and cohesive. After allowing the dough to rise for about an hour, I'm using a rolling pin here to roll it out into a rectangular shape, maybe about a 12 by 16. And so here I've pretty much gotten it to the size that I need. All I need to do is just square up the edges a little more, but this is pretty good. Here I'm just spreading the filling, which is my own that I came up with: sugar, cinnamon, butter, coconut flakes, and raisins. I just wanted to make that. Note that you can add anything you want to yours. Some people put nuts in theirs. They put all kinds of things in there. Okay, so here we go. So now I'm rolling the edge all the way up, and I'm rolling it as tightly as possible so I can get a nice long roll, enough to cut. And I'm carefully rolling it together. And here's my roll. It's kind of lean. I got 9.5 rolls, and here we are. I put this to rise for another hour, set it to bake, and this is what they look like. Now, I made no topping this go round because it's so sweet, but it's really good with it. But this is how it looks when it's all done.